this is Supreet and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to tear down this fake MI band 4. No, actually this is a M4 band made in China. I bought this last year but I was using since 1 month. This is a smart bracelet it seems, and it's written that 45 days battery life, but it's completely wrong. It doesn't even have a 4 days battery life and many things are there. So let's see this. Yeah, so here's the box. As it is written M4 HD color screen, message view, and 45 days battery life with M4, a partner to monitor your health, motion, calories, distance, and some specifications दिया हुआ है. Yeah, okay, so here's the charger, and a main band is over here. Temporarily I used it for 2 months, and just looks like a my band 3-1 and a strip. Maybe some silicone, not with rubber. And the specifications: working time 4 to 7 days, standby 45 days, connection Bluetooth 4.2, and charging method charging clip given here. Support Android 4.4 above and iOS above 8.5, that is like iPhone 5 is above or minimum, that is. So let's open this. There's currently, I don't know why it's not working, but it just turned on, and I understood that the display is not working finally. Yep, let's open. Yeah, so this is completely transparent case given here, and screen, very small thing, screen, vibrator, and this small kind of sensors. Battery looks good, but I have understood that there's a problem with display. And here there is a Bluetooth module and all, if you can see. Yeah, that's it. And a vibrator, a small vibrator, it just works, and a clip of charging. I just opened it, and the chip over here with some kind of specifications, all up. Okay, opened it. Now this is not going to go. Yep, so that's it. And a small kind of transparent things are coming out of the display. Yeah, so this is the display, a black one. Yep, and the battery, oh my god, I think some liquids may release from this because of candide, and some kind of chemicals are there. Poor. Okay, this is a data strip, vibrator. I was thinking why it's not turning on, so I understood that there is a problem with this display, because everything is good. I'm able to turn on, and some light backlight is also getting turned on, but only the display is not getting on. So the problem is with display. And here is a Bluetooth module, very tiny and small. Generally we have a Bluetooth modules of Arduino with a size of nearly this watch, more than the size of this watch. They name it as HC05. Yep. And this is a teardown of this fake MI band 4, and these bunch of things is going to cost you 1,000 rupees. And but if you are lucky in some sites, it is going to get you just 500 rupees, or if you are so lucky in Amazon, you can get it at 345 rupees. So there are many pros and cons in this. It's very cheap, but there are some fake tracker. This is only steps are correct, and I have checked the BP and all that, it's not showing correct. I've checked in Apple Watch, I tried it, but it's not exact. So this is battery and all, and the wires are very easy to tear. So if you throw this down or do something, this is going to break and not going to work according to it. So that's it. And wires and low quality things not working. modules in these kind of watches are going to minimum should be at this size, but they are negligibly and inside this motherboard, like in a size of a nanometers. I have been working with Arduino last year, so that is minimum this much big size of HC05 module, that is a so which is going to cost us nearly 400 rupees, but this whole watch is getting all the data 500 of this watch, and this is going to provide an application called fitness band, just a fitness band application. This is going to provide a QR code with which we have to download it. That's it. And four. Okay, let me tell that it is going to cost you 2,499 rupees. I'm telling you this for the people who don't know what is the real cost and all that. A small typical box finally. Just all stupid scrap. This is going to cost you 1,000 rupees. And thank you.